I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at Greens Grove Community Incubator Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter shrimp. So let's get started. In this bowl, I just have a mix of peanut butter and hot Sriracha pepper sauce. It's just 2 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons, and you mix it up together, and that's what it looks like. I have some gluten-free soy sauce, some sesame oil, and of course, our shrimp. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sauce and you're gonna toss it into a bowl. Okay, just like that. Now, put that aside. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your gluten-free soy sauce. And then about 1 tablespoon of your sesame oil. I love sesame oil. It's nice and nutty. It's got this buttery nut flavor to it. It's a lot different than olive oil. So you're just gonna combine everything together. It's gonna look just like any other sauce that you would, wanna cook down, like a fish or any kind of seafood. Okay, so there you go. You have a very, very creamy dressing. Then you're just gonna take, I'm using really small shrimp. You can use any kind you want. Just make sure that they're deveined and deshelled completely. Just mix it all together. It's not a bad idea if you want to leave this in the fridge for a couple hours and let it all marinate together. Okay, now I'm gonna heat my pan. Make sure you get your pan nice and hot. Shrimp do not need a lot of time to cook. I'm talking like 2 minutes and then you're good to go. All mixed together. My pan has already been pre-oiled. There you go. You're ready here, it all sizzling together. The peanut butter is going to start to melt down with that heat. Any kind of butter, the fat in it starts to melt down, and it really makes a nice dressing and marinade for your shrimp. Wow, it's already going. It's sizzling. Almost there. Okay. That's exactly what you're looking for. You want to have all your shrimp to get this nice gold, brown, really crispy outside. Just like that. Okay. And shut off your heat. So here's a pre-plated example for you. As always, you eat with your eyes first. So you're gonna take your shrimp, put them on top of some nice rice. You can use brown rice, white rice, whatever you want. Even rice noodles would work really well for this. And then I garnished it with a little bit of cilantro. Put down some chopsticks. And there you go. That's some peanut butter shrimp. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger with Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at Greens Grove Community Incubator Kitchen. And that's how you make peanut butter shrimp. Enjoy.